guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have another cleaning video for you, but I have a fun and exciting one. A few months ago, maybe a couple months ago, I actually asked you guys for some recommendations for some cleaning products that can kind of help clean my shower glass door better, and you guys gave me a bunch of recommendations and suggestions on great products. So I went out and I bought a lot of those products and tools that you guys had suggested that I should use or try just to make my cleaning job a little bit easier, because the products I was using or that I usually use just weren't, to me, they weren't doing the best. So if you haven't seen that video, I will definitely link it up in the eye just so you can kind of watch it and get an idea. It was a, I think, whole house cleaning video. I'm gonna go ahead and clean my master bathroom. We're gonna go ahead and start cleaning first. And I have a really dirty shower door because I definitely waited a little bit longer to clean so I can do this test. So it's more accurate, so you can kind of see like some grime on the glass door, and then we'll see how the different products and tools how they work. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that subscribe button, and also that little alarm bell down there, just so you're notified of videos and you don't miss another one. And without further ado, you guys, we're just gonna jump right into the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning first, and then towards the end when I clean the shower, because I usually clean the shower towards the end of my bathroom cleaning videos, then I will go ahead and test out the products for you guys. So let's go.
All right, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start picking up the counters and the floor and just putting everything back in its place. I am going to wash my mats today, so I went ahead and took all the dirty clothes and the mats out. I decided to go ahead and do a quick reorganize of my linen closet, and I just got all of these little organizers from the Dollar Tree. It was super budget friendly when I organized this, and I actually have a video on it that I will include in the description box if you wanted to check that out. So I was listening to music. You have to listen to music when you clean. It helps. Or an Audible book. I always like to listen to one of the two. So right now I am dusting the lights. They needed a good dusting, and I am just using my duster from Target. So what I'm doing here is spraying down everything, the counters and the sink, and then I spray down the toilet and put the product in the toilet. And I am using some Method Anti-Bac and then a Method Toilet Bowl Cleaner. So I did attempt to start wearing gloves, and this is my first attempt, and throughout the video I end up forgetting about them and not wearing them because I'm just not used to it, but I do want to kind of protect my skin from some products. That is kind of why I mostly use natural products, just so they're just less harsh on my skin, less harsh chemicals or no chemicals. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy. So I went ahead and tried these little cleaner tablets that you throw in the back of your toilet, and they're supposed to bleach and clean. So I put that in there, let it set for 10 minutes, and then you flush the toilet 10 minutes later. So some of the products I'm going to be testing out are the scrubbing bubbles, the Kaboom Foamtastic, some SOS pads, a magic eraser, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the Dawn and vinegar mixture and put it in this little sponge brush thing that we have all heard about or have used. And then as far as the magic erasers, I like to cut in half so I can get the most use out of them. So we're going to start off with the scrubbing bubbles. I'm going to go ahead and put each product down in a line, and then obviously wipe the products down that need a towel to wipe them down, and just see which one is clear, more clear. So I did the best I could with showing you guys this. It was kind of hard to pick everything up on camera, obviously. So I did the best I can, but I will be sharing my thoughts and the whole review of this test at the end of the video.
Time surely tells if it's true. Oh yeah, that I might see myself up for you. You make me feel something more than I've felt before. You make me feel something.
One of the results here was so shocking that I was pointing it out to you guys because it was so clear. It was amazing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and finish cleaning my tub, and I decided to finish it with the SOS pad and also the Vinegar and Dawn scrub brush that I will be using to clean my tub and the tub walls.
My confession, so far away, but my tongue could slip. Yeah. My affection on holiday, so let's take a trip. Time surely tells if it's true. Oh yeah, that I might see myself up for you. You make me feel something more than I felt before. You make me feel something more for sure.
Alright, so the two products for me that worked best on my glass shower, how dirty it was. So everybody's shower is going to be different depending on how many days it's been since they cleaned, were these two. So we have the SOS pads that I have used for like pots and pans, but I have never used for the bathroom, and it simply says on the back that you can use it for outdoor stuff, kitchen and bathroom, which I really never noticed. This was my favorite out of the two. I mean, yes, you still have to go in and rinse it and use a towel or just use a microfiber towel and rinse it off. But this really got the soap scum. It did the job the best out of all of them. So I will be using that, and that's why I continued cleaning with the whole glass with it, because it really worked, which is crazy. So I'm really happy about it. The second one that worked great was this Kaboom Foamtastic with OxyClean Stain Fighters. It sprays on blue but turns on white, and it's a bathroom cleaner, fresh scent. So this one worked really, really well. Also, no hate, guys. I know a lot of people love cleaning their bathroom with this. And I mean, a lot of people. I have friends that love it, and that's awesome. For me, it was not as good on my glass, how dirty my glass door was today. I mean, it's not always that dirty. I got it dirty for this purpose, or like let it be dirty for this purpose. But this didn't work for me as well, getting the soap scum off. And I could imagine, because like, you know, it just was, maybe it's not as harsh products or harsh enough products to get a certain amount of scum off. Scrubbing bubbles for me didn't work at all as far as how dirty my glass was. This to me didn't work at all, but this is actually the Magic Eraser, is one of my favorite products to use around the house because it cleans on so much, but it didn't clean off my glass door today. So I wouldn't be using it for that, but I love using these around the house. Yeah, so that is my test. That is how it went. It was really fun. I love testing out new products. I appreciate all of your guys' suggestions. There were some other products that you guys did suggest that I couldn't find at the store that I went. I do want to pick up some Rain X, because someone did say if you put Rain X on the door, on the glass, it won't have so much water buildup because the Rain X is on it. Something like that. So I'm going to go look into that and try that out too. So anyway, I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to hit the like button just to let me know that you guys like these videos, and also subscribe if you're new to my channel. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.